A sudden wave of frustration while typing. You might be overlooking a critical warning sign right beneath your fingers. Picture this: you're working on your sleek laptop. Those seemingly harmless keyboard covers could be the hidden culprits behind your tech troubles. They promise protection, but do you know the risks? Many don't realize these covers can trap heat, leading to serious performance issues. Imagine diving into a crucial project when, out of nowhere, your laptop starts lagging. Frustration builds as you click and type, but nothing happens. It's as if your tech is trying to tell you something, and most of us are completely unaware. What if that issue lies within the very cover you thought was safeguarding your device? The materials can interfere with keyboard functionality, causing missed keystrokes and potential long-term damage. This is a silent stress signal your gadget is sending, and ignoring it could have dire consequences. Now, as you type, you feel heat radiating from your laptop. Initially cozy, that warmth is actually a warning. The keyboard cover is insulating your device, forcing it to work harder. Can you feel the tension rising? This hidden stress can escalate into overheating, battery drain, and hardware malfunctions. You might think removing the cover is the solution, but what if the damage is already done? Think back to your last tech troubleshooting experience. Stressful, right? The anxiety of losing work or facing repairs can be overwhelming because of a simple accessory. So, what's the takeaway? Before you slap a keyboard cover on your device, pause and consider the hidden costs. Could that convenience end up costing you more in the long run? Your tech deserves more than just a pretty cover. You might see your keyboard cover as just a handy accessory, but it could be hiding something more serious. This seemingly harmless gadget might actually be jeopardizing your tech's performance. Many users don't realize the hidden dangers lurking beneath that colorful silicone layer. Picture this: you're typing away, feeling secure and protected, but what if that very shield is trapping heat, dust, and grime? Let's dig a little deeper. Imagine your laptop overheating during an important project. Frustrating, right? It's not just bad luck. Your keyboard cover could be limiting airflow, making it hard for your device to stay cool. You invest in a high-performance laptop, yet you might be unknowingly compromising its efficiency. These covers can create a breeding ground for bacteria or trap moisture, quietly damaging your hardware over time. Now, picture this: you're working late at night, feeling the heat building up beneath your fingers. Ignoring the warning signs, you keep typing, unaware that your gadget is begging for help. The stakes are high, and the consequences can be serious. Ignoring these signs could lead to costly repairs or even a complete breakdown. Suddenly, that keyboard cover doesn't seem so innocent, does it? But don't worry, there's a way forward. First, consider how often you clean your keyboard cover. Regular maintenance can keep your device running smoothly. If you're facing issues, it might be time to rethink your choice of protection. The next time you put that keyboard cover on, ask yourself if it's doing more harm than good. Be aware of the hidden dangers and make choices that truly enhance your tech experience. If you found this information eye-opening, take a moment to subscribe for more insights that could save you time and money in the future. You never know what other hidden truths are waiting to be uncovered. Have you ever thought about what's lurking beneath your keyboard cover? You might be surprised to learn that those seemingly harmless layers can actually pose serious risks. Many people view a keyboard cover as a simple way to keep their devices clean, but what if I told you it could be affecting your device's performance in unexpected ways? Stick around, we're just getting started. Picture this: you're typing away, feeling productive, completely unaware of the hidden dangers. Your sleek laptop is built to be fast, responsive, but could that keyboard cover be ruining your experience? Many users don't realize that these covers can trap heat, leading to overheating over time, which can shorten your device's lifespan. Can you see the connection? Now, imagine you're in the middle of an important project, and suddenly your keyboard feels sticky. Every keystroke becomes a struggle. That cover isn't just protecting your keyboard, it's also a breeding ground for bacteria and grime. You might think, but it protects against spills. Sure, it might shield against the occasional coffee accident, but at what cost? For every spill it prevents, you could be creating long-term performance issues. There's more to consider. Did you know that some keyboard covers can interfere with your device's sensitivity? That slight cushion might feel nice, but it can dampen your typing experience. Each keystroke becomes less precise, and soon enough your typing speed and accuracy could suffer. Let's raise the stakes. You've invested in the latest tech designed to make your life easier. But what if that accessory you thought was enhancing your experience is actually making it worse? What if there's a simple way to keep your keyboard clean without sacrificing performance? Regular maintenance and cleaning can work wonders. Just a little time spent can save you from the hidden costs of using